Hello guys, welcome back. This is our part 2. If you missed the first video, please check the link that will pop up on your screen. Let's continue refining our vector art by adding details and values. First up is the leaf thingy on its neck. I don't know what that's called, but anyway, we do this by creating a curve. Add some gradients and clip it to the proper layer object. We duplicate this to make our life easier. Now select the main object and add a gradient to make some color separation. Let's delete the other leafy thingy and just duplicate the first leaf and make necessary adjustments for us to save some time. But if you want, you can repeat the process for you to be familiar with this method. After we duplicate, we must remember to place the objects on the right layer order. There we have it. Ain't that easy? Now we add shadows. Under the chin, under the leafy thingy on its neck, don't forget to clip, on his belly, the inner part of his legs, and under his tail. Now we add shades on his leafy accent on his head. Using the pen tool to create curves are more precise than using freehand pencil tool or brush tool. The advantage of the pen tool is that you can control the lines and nodes easily. Unlike with the pencil and brush, it creates unnecessary nodes and is harder to follow. But this still depends on your work process and where you can work comfortably. I'm just excited to add the highlights, that's why I'm doing it now, but we can add more of these later and finish the shade tone. Now let's add foot details. You gotta love the duplicate tool, such a time saver. Highlights on the tail would be awesome. Now let's eliminate the black line art and give some same darker hue on our strokes. So the pale green will have a darker value. Well, almost everything is green, ain't it? Except for the eyes. But we will have different green hues for each green color. Like for the leafy thing on his neck, pick the color and add same hue but darker. Do the same process with his toes. Add more highlights to make our illustration more interesting. Tip time! We can use the layer mode to add effects on our values and adjust the object's opacity. You can try and explore lots of the layer mode that will suit your illustration. You got that right! Duplicate, duplicate. On this part of the video, I'ma share a tip to improve your vector art. Select the whole object, duplicate the layer, and tap Add option on the Geometry tab. This will merge all the selected objects as one. Make a fill, remove the stroke, and make a gradient. Make the gradient darker on the bottom part and lower the opacity above it. This provides shadow and will emphasize the details on the face and the upper portion of your illustration. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button for you to be notified if I upload a new video. Keep on learning, keep on creating, keep on drawing. Adding and creating background is another topic to discuss. Don't hesitate to comment down below if you have questions or requests. Thanks for watching and be safe.